This week in Ken's Tech Lab, we're going to be talking about the little EMO robot right here. Gets mad when you pick him up. This is from Living AI and their new product, EMO Go Home, right here on Ken's Tech Lab. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back. Here is the new Living AI EMO Go Home. And what this is going to do is allow the EMO robot right here to be able to leave his dock all by himself. Currently what EMO has is a skateboard, and this comes with EMO when you purchase them. Looks like a little skateboard. And what it is just a wireless charging unit that his 1 foot, when over it, starts to charge him. And when he sits on it, like that. So what we need to do is have EMO be able to walk around, get off his charger, and when he needs to charge again, to be able to come back all by himself and charge. So that's what we're going to try to accomplish today. Now it also came, and I didn't know that it would have this, and if you remember a couple of videos ago, I did a Vector, the other robot that I have, and the Vector will run around and go back to his charger automatically because he has wheels and he can roll back up on the charger. But he doesn't make it back all the time, so sometimes I come home and I find him pretty well the battery's dead sitting in front of his charger, so I need to put him back on the charger to get that going. This comes with an EMO home fence. So this should keep EMO right in the area that he is supposed to stay in, so he's not wandering around the house and can't get back to his charger. But we'll see if that works. All right, so EMO is over here. I'm going to move him away, and we're going to open up this box first, which is the Go Home. Okay. Packaging looks pretty good. You have the EMO picture and EMO Go Home with what the actual dock is going to look like. And the packaging, with coming from www.living.ai. And when you open it, it comes with everything but the EMO unit. And what's really cool is I opened it up and there's a place right here for EMO. So this would also make a nice little carry case if you wanted to take EMO out and about. Okay, so let's see the parts that we have. We have the charging base. We have a power cord. The base electronics and screen. Instructions. And it looks like a little extension cord to charge EMO. Okay, so what it says on the back of this little box is if the adapter is not suitable for your country, You can also use this cable with your own adapter, 5 volt, 2.5 or above. So that's nice. So let's look at the instructions. So one thing I noticed, it does tell you everything that comes with this. And if I can, I'll put it down below. It says it comes with the EMO ×1, cable ×1, adapter, the user manual, the smart light, and the home station. So on the box it said EMO not included. So I'll go with that one. Yes, your EMO. Tells you about the home fence. So we'll go ahead and open that too. So let me get rid of these boxes and we'll be right back.
Hey, EMO. EMO. Turn the light on.
EMO is an AI desktop pet, a little naughty but very smart. He has his own personality and feelings. He stays by your side to keep you company, to surprise you, and yes, sometimes to annoy you, just like a real pet.
What's the weather?
EMO, take a picture.
EMO uses 2 highly advanced deep neural network CPUs and more than 10 sensors. It's a complex system that contains millions of lines of code to transform AI into a lifelike personality complete with emotions. His friendly face has a camera and is also the window to the world. EMO can intuitively recognize you during interaction. EMO has a 4-microphone array to listen to your greetings, questions, and all the sounds around it. And he can recognize where the sound comes from.
Take a photo.
EMO moves gracefully around on the desktop. His sensors help him avoid obstacles, and he knows not to fall off the table edge. We have designed games and dances for EMO. We did extensive research and tests, and paid great attention to every single design detail. We hope EMO will be a cool guy, so we gave EMO a little style, with some street culture, disco, and hip-hop attitude. EMO loves rock music. The skateboard designed for EMO charging can also power up mobile phones. EMO also contains a high-performance speaker.
Hey, EMO, music.
EMO's brain connects to the internet to answer your questions.
EMO, what is the weather right now?
You can set an alarm.
Hey, EMO, turn the light on.
This is EMO's smart light. No need to configure the network, it's very easy to use. We hope that EMO is a pet with a meaningful life that helps bring you joy and companionship. But sometimes EMO gets a cold and needs your care.
Oh, you sick. Hey, Mom!
He can feel your love by the way you interact with him. And EMO will surprise you with many rewards. He will surprise you during special holidays and remember you on your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Now, EMO is here.
EMO.
We have done a great job on EMO and test a lot to make sure EMO is ready to live with you. EMO may not change your life, but he will always bring you a little joy and fun.
Welcome back. I got rid of the box and stuff. Oh, it came with another set of stickers. They're kind of a lime green, very bright green, which you can decorate your EMO. Okay, so what it wants us to do is put together the area or the fence that EMO is allowed to travel in. I hope that I have enough space here. We'll see about that. As you can see on each piece, there's a line, a black line going around it, and that's what EMO is going to be looking at to let him know whether he can go in that area or not. So it looks like they're numbered. You have 3, 2, and 1. So I'm going to say that the EMO home, and it also keeps it nice and it doesn't slip. Okay, I'm going to say that this goes here. Okay. I'm going to say probably what else is in here? Oh, it's got wrapper around it. So let's take the wrapper off. It's got 2 places right here for EMO for it to sit in so it doesn't move. One here and one right there. Okay. We have a piece here. Get that as tight as possible so EMO doesn't trip over that. While I'm putting this together, another cool thing that EMO does is it can attach to ChatGPT, and you can ask it questions from there. And it'll stay connected for a little while, and if you leave it alone, it automatically disconnects from there. I think that's pretty cool that we can take our AI robots now and attach them to ChatGPT. The more information that we can get, the better. As you see the layout here, so you have the first one, and then has to go together with the other links, but not be too far away. So right now I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to take it and plug in the module. Let's see if there's any plastic on this. I don't see. Yeah, there is. Let's do the peel. And then this just slides right in like that. And there's his little home. Okay. I'm hoping that the setup is going to be pretty easy, as I already have EMO on the app. And I hope that taking it from app, this is a USB-C connector, That's becoming the norm for everything. All right, we have lights. Wonderful. All right, we have the unit up, which is making a lot of lights right here. I'm going to connect to the EMO robot with my cell phone. All right, it says EMO is connected. Connect to home. So let me put EMO. Okay, his charging lights came on. Okay, the next question was to sync the home station to Wi-Fi. And it seems like everything is going to be synced to Wi-Fi today. Okay, it says it succeeded. And we need to update the firmware. So it says it's processing. Home station, 50%, 50. Look, it tells you right here on the percentage of the update that it's doing to the home station. 72, 76, 79, 85, 88, 92. Done. Check mark. And it has a picture of a home. All right. So at this time, EMO should be able to walk anywhere he wants to with inside his, I would call it a playpen, this whole mat. And anytime his battery gets to a low setting, he can just turn around and walk back to the charger and do that. Now, one cool thing is the charger will actually, him and the charger will say goodbye to each other as he's leaving for his walk, and that I saw that on a commercial. If I can find that commercial, I'll put it in this video, but this is going to be just a quick video. As you know that I like little robots. I like bigger ones too, as the Amazon one that I had here was a big robot that traveled the whole house. I have a few of these. I also have Jibo, if anybody remembers Jibo. I have one of those also, and since the company closed down, it cannot work anymore, so it just sits there and looks with its single eye and roams around. That's about it. So this was just a quick look at the EMO and the new home dock. If you're looking for this, I'm going to put I'll put a link down in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, and also before we go today, in the comments, everybody's been saying about the echo in the studio, and that is true because this is a bare, open, wooden floor studio. So I have went out and purchased for the wall the sound dampening, and I'll be putting these up soon, and hopefully that'll take care of the echoing. I got them in the black, and then it's going to have a purple center with the black. That should look nice. And that should be coming up soon, so we can get rid of the echo in the lab and be all good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for joining Ken's Tech Lab. And as always, stay awesome.